How's it going? Today, I'm going to tell you guys how you can, get a cash advance and what does it mean in Chime credit. So it is a short-term, high-interest loan you can borrow to quickly access money. So they'll give you the money very quickly, but the interest rate would be very high. So how does it work? So it fees are usually 5% of the total amount you have to withdraw, or just $10 flat. And there are high interest rates, which is over almost around 18%, which is extremely good. So there is no grace period. Your cash advances start accruing interest almost immediately. You can either get it at an ATM and withdraw money with a debit card. The only difference is that the money isn't yours, so you have to pay it back, or through online. And how much does it cost? So as you can see, these are some of the things that you can need or whatever. But if you need to get it, you could also see if the personal loan is the best option for you. But if you just want it, then I'd suggest go to the ATM, and that would be the best option. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.